Another concept that I at least wanted to touch on is the concept of Kanban swim lanes. Swim lanes in Kanban are utilized to group tasks together. This could be grouping them together based on the department that's going to be responsible for completing them. It could be grouped together based on the title or responsibilities of the person or people that are going to be completing them. You could have grouped based on high priority, medium priority, low priority, whatever you want to do. You can group however you want. And the swim lanes are done in a different way for every organization. So in the example on the screen, I've got our physical board or our digital board. It's got some coloring, and so it's got red, green, and blue. You can very faintly see that on the image, but that could be utilized to set up a different swim lane. So that red could mean highest priority items, green means medium priority, and blue means not a lot of priority here. Low value items, work them as you kind of can. And so that can be used to group them. So those swim lanes, you can get really fancy with these or really simple. On a physical board, it could just literally be a few lines that make almost like a tic-tac-toe board, if you will, for your Kanban board. And then you have your different categories and groupings. And you want to do this sometimes if you have a big team. And let's say you have network people in the team, you have developers in the team, architects, business analysts, what have you. And so everybody's working, everybody's got their tasks in the to-do column. Well, it can be overwhelming sometimes. Like, there's a lot of tasks out here and I'm not responsible for 90% of them. So it can be helpful to break them apart a little bit into different groupings, and so you kind of know where to look for your to-do items that are coming up. So there's a lot more to do with swim lanes, but I at least want to introduce the concept to you so in case you hear anything about it inside of the working world, you understand what Kanban swim lanes are. Quite simply, they're there to help group tasks together based on different similarities.